What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad in the house, and we're back with another vlog. In this video we're gonna go talk to Ben and find out what we got going on for this week. It's a beautiful Monday and it feels good outside. It feels like summer, super hot. We're at like 80 degrees, so that's pretty warm for April. So let's go inside, talk to Ben, see if he has any new projects for me. What we got today?
Happy Monday.
Yes, happy Monday.
Nothing serious, just that BMW M4 needs your special touch.
Really?
He's dechroming it, and there's a couple carbon fiber goodies that we need to put on there.
Awesome.
So
that white BMW M4.
are in the car, and you'll kind of see all the carbon fiber he wants to put on there. Sweet.
Let's go check it out, and I will show you exactly what we're gonna do with it. Check out this beauty. So yeah, he wants to install a front lip. Also, he wants to get rid of this yellow side marker. We're gonna get rid of this chrome piece. And for the back, I believe he has different exhaust tips and then little carbon up here on the side. But once I'll pull the car inside of the shop, I'll show you guys all the goodies. So let's pull the beauty inside of the shop and start working on it. Actually, we can't go nowhere. I gotta go grab the key. Yeah, we're gonna need a key to get the puppy going. Let's see. BMW. We got two BMWs. I believe this is it. Yep, that's the one. Let's check out the inside. Damn, look at that. Wow, look at the steering wheel. I like the steering wheel. Sounds pretty good. Oh, she sounds raunchy. Wow. Wow. Got the M4 on the lift machine. We're gonna lift it up, and here's all the goodies that we're gonna be installing. Let's take a look. Yeah, we got a carbon fiber front lip, reflectors. They're gonna be matching color of the car. Also got new tips, carbon fiber with some blue. Then also got the side for the fenders. Instead of chrome, they're gonna be black, and then this goes on the back of the bumper, little extra carbon. So yeah, we'll start installing all the goodies, and I'll show you guys the whole process. Let's go. The car up in the lift, so we're gonna start with the back end. I'm gonna install the exhaust tips and then those side little carbon pieces for the rear bumper. So yeah, boom, those are gonna look real nice. So we'll start with this and work our way to the front. So I'm gonna remove the old ones, and it looks like it's just holding by an Allen wrench. I'll remove those and put the carbon ones. Just installed one side to see what they look like. For the most part they fit pretty good, but they stick out too much, so I'm gonna have to cut the exhaust just a little bit so they could go in probably like half an inch or so. So let me show you and see how much it sticks out compared to this one, and he wants to be flush like this one. So what I'm gonna do right now, so if you guys see this curve, so what I need to do is make this pipe straight. So I'm just gonna cut this piece out a little bit, so this way they could go in farther in, because right now they're touching against this, so it doesn't let me to go farther in. So yeah, I'll just do that. I'll cut them, make them straight, and they should fit perfect. So right now I just loosened the exhaust so I could get to it, and let me show you exactly what I'm gonna do. You see how it goes this way, so I just need to make it straight. So I put my tape where to cut it. So I gotta cut this side and this one, and then the exhaust will slide in there perfectly fine. So I gotta do that on both sides. And what I did, I removed the exhaust, so it's sitting low, so I don't damage any of that carbon fiber. And I'll use something like this to cut it, either this or I have the other one. This is one with like a blade. So we'll see which one works better. I'll try with this one first. So yeah, let the fun begin. So I just cut one pipe and it looks a lot better. It went in by like a half an inch. Let's take a look. So yeah, how much it went in. So yeah. So now they're gonna be flush. They're not gonna be sticking out. We're gonna do the same with this side now. I just cut everything off so the exhaust is nice and straight, so those tips could go in farther in, and then you could adjust them if you want them farther in or not, but the customer wanted them in to be flush with the diffuser. So we're done with this side. We're gonna do exactly the same thing on this side, make them straight, and we're pretty much done with the exhaust. So that's it, just cut the exhaust tips. So now I could put the exhaust back and start installing the tips. But yeah, this is what it looks like, nice and clean. So I could put the exhaust back in the original spots, and then we'll install the tips. I just installed the exhaust back, so now we could install the exhaust tips. How everything came out. So now we could align the exhaust tips flush with the diffuser. We're all finished with the exhaust. Man, it came out nice. I like it. Don't stick out. They're flush with the diffuser. Wow, that came out beautiful. So next I'm gonna install carbon fiber piece right here. Let's go check it out, what it looks like. It's like a little small carbon piece. This is it right here, so let's go look how it's gonna fit. Boom, so something like this. We're gonna clean this area up, put double tape, and install them. That's it, we're finished with the back end. Man, it came out beautiful. Let's take a look. Nice and clean. Now we could start working on the front end. Front lip, also change the reflectors, and then those little pieces for the fenders. Just installed the lip. Fits really good for an aftermarket. Let's take a look. Boom. Everything lines up good up here. And same on this. And it's really, really solid. And then I secured it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screws. So yeah, it's not going nowhere. Man, this thing looks awesome. What do you guys think? Comment below, please. Let me know if you guys like this setup with the front end and the rear end. Let's check out the rear end again. Man, it looks amazing. Lots of carbon on this car now. Boom. Check out the back end. Wow. I love it. That's it, guys. We're officially finished with it. Man, it came out beautiful. I love it. Let's take a closer look. That is it. Customer picked up the car and he's out. That's a wrap for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe because we got more videos coming and you guys don't want to miss. Thank you once again. Make sure to hit the thumbs up for this video and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания.